Okay, so we're back. So we are back at the Bradford GO station, and we are seeing MP40 engine 618. Gates are going down. With a bang, like that. It's a really tall gate at this crossing festival show. Anyways, let's see it come in. I will have to show you guys something at the end of the video. Like we have two trains parked with the sidings. So we have cab car 326. Train stopped. Gates are going up over there, you can see. And you can see two engines that are parked over there. One F59PH engine and one new color MP40 engine. I will get a close-up shot after this train has left. We have like Rico lights here, you can see. Random color haze lights, and the safe trend type 3 E-bell on the top, and random color haze gates too. The E-bell replaced a old mechanical bell. Anyways, now for train leaving for station. And we have an MP40 engine, 618. There it goes. It goes around the bend, past the two upper trains, but it's parked in the sidings. Anyways, I will give you a close-up of the two engines right now, so I'll be back in a minute. So you can see the two engines up close. The one on the left is F59PH engine 559, and the second engine on the right is MP40 engine 666, aka the Devil. I actually recently saw that engine at Bethesda Sideboard with an extremely friendly engineer. But the last F59PH engine I saw before 557 today was 559. So basically I both see these two engines recently, but 666 the most recent. Anyways, I think that'll be it for me. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.